Do you smell the elephant?
Whoa, that's very close.
Yeah. A little munch there.
Look at his mouth.
Just keep quiet when you just sat close to the big guy.
Flash.
That's about as close as you'll get to a wild African elephant, gentlemen. And he's having a good morning scratch.
It's not even looks like
No, he's very, very real. Very, very real.
he has those long eyelashes.
You won't get that much closer to these guys.
Oh, he's peeing or crapping. I can see
He's in a stage called what's called must. So he'll dribble urine from his winky the whole day. He'll lose up to 600 liters of water in a week.
They must take a lot of water in as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, they do. In one sitting they can drink a good 150 to 200 liters, one
Wow.
of these guys. They'll feed on about 150 kilograms of vegetation per day. So they really need to feed a lot and drink a lot to keep those big bodies going, eh?
So when they drink water, do they like suck it up in their trunk and then put it in their mouth like a straw, or
That's
do they
correct.
just suck it up
No, they'll
into the trunk?
suck
and
it
then
up
goes
into their
in?
trunk and then they'll put it into their mouth and blow it into their mouth.
Like with the straw?
Almost like that.